Good morning, Stumpy here, Legian Beach, walking up to Melasti Street, just going up the Golden Square. Nice stroll today. It's 8 a.m. in the morning. And you can see it's very quiet on the beach. It's just a nice little stroll. I love it. I've been going to Bali for 30 years, or actually 28 years. I've been going since 1988, and I fell in love with it back then. And I've been going ever since, every year, and try to get there at least 2 or 3 times a year, and I just can't get enough of it. But as you can see, it's nice and quiet along here. The beach bars have all got their own little niche. It's great to visit these beach bars, eat at the beach bars, get to know the local people. It's so much nicer than the fancy restaurants that you can see around Bali. You get to know the real people. The food's great. Don't worry about Bali Belly, because it's
Morning, brother. How are you?
People get Bali Belly in the 5-star restaurants, not here. Food's turned over quickly, and it's tasty, it's nice, and it's cheap. And you get to know the people. Joseph's Bar, we're just walking past now, and that's world famous. Everybody knows Joseph, and he backs the orphanages in Bali. Always go and help him out if you can. He's a really nice guy.
No, thanks, brother.
Just leaving Legian
Walking
Beach
much more
now,
better.
crossing over to Melasti Street, and it's just across Dale Panti. I can't get these names right at times. I'm really bad with names. New business opening up to the left there. It should be open in about 4 weeks' time. The Pullman is across the road to the right. Huge hotel, 5-star. I stay at a little place called the Sari Bunga, which is a little 3-star place, and it suits me fine. Do 5 stars your gig. Pullman's just there in the corner there, and it goes forever. It's a huge hotel. But as we walk down the street, it's quiet. It's peak time in Bali, and it's very, very quiet still. So if you get a chance, please come to Bali. They'll love you for it. They'll treat you so nice. You'll have a great time. The weather is beautiful at the moment. So why not come? Could be the price of the airfares, but if you search enough, there are specials out there. This is part of the spa. Coming to the spa now, which is part of the Pullman Resort. I've never been in there because I'm not one for them, but I know the ladies like it, and I've been told it is very nice. Probably a little bit up there in the price because of where it is, but there are some further spas just down the street here, which I can highly recommend, and they'll be nowhere near the same price. But as you can see now, to the left is still the Pullman. We're walking for several minutes. We're on Melasti Street. We're just coming up now to some restaurants.
No, thank you.
It's passing Donna Spa. That's one of the spas I was talking about. It's very popular. And just keep strolling along here. We're going to come to a place called the Duke. Now the Duke is a very, very nice local place. And I can tell you now, it is a good place to eat. I wouldn't be going down dark lanes like this, even though it's lit at the moment, but I would not be going down at night time. So I just don't know that part of the area, and I wouldn't go down dark streets. But you do that anywhere in the world. But as you're coming along here, you're going to see little, rental signs, money changes. The money's pretty good at the moment. And as we come up money changer, we get to the gym. That is always very popular, but not at this time of the morning, because it's early and they're just getting ready for breakfast. But so it's pretty good. I've been told it's good. I actually know it's good, and I love the food in there. The food in Bali is all good. You're not going to go wrong anywhere, really. It's not like the old days where it was hit and miss. It's really good. We're just passing a place called Holy Guacamole. And I'm telling you now, I'm trying there next time. I haven't been in there, and I'll go past it every single time I go there. I'm going to make it a message of mine. I have to go there. You know, you got your tattoo parlours and your spas and all that. And Classing place now has got a couple of lawns. It's a well-known place around Bali, and you've got chefs just there.
Him too
Chefs
big.
is well known as well. The people have been going to Bali for a long time. You'll always see them. They're all very popular. There's a medical centre just here, Code Blue, and great. Hopefully you'll never need it, but if you do, there's centres like that set up all around Bali in 24 hours for your medical, for medical. Another spa across the road, Carlin Spa. Golden Square is up to the side there, on your left-hand side, and that's actually crossing Scarlet Lane. And there's some nice restaurants and that down there. But I'm telling you now, you will not go wrong. This is a great street to be on. There's great restaurants, great places to eat, spas, shops, you name it. But I just love coming to this area. Love coming to this area. I know it's quiet in the morning now and it gets busier as you go along, but this is probably the best time to do a little stroll around if you want to, not bumping into 1,000 people. But as it is quiet at the moment, you would normally have a lot more people around this time. Long Square's pretty new actually. It's only been around for a couple of years on their build. Nice restaurants and all that there. They've got a steakhouse in here. I don't go in there because that's way out of my budget. But there are some nice steakhouses around here which you can get, from not cheap, but cheap compared to Australian standards. You got your chemists across the road if you need any drugs. Don't be afraid to ask for them. They do have some. It's coming to the end of this video now. It's only a short one. If you like it, subscribe and share it around. I just do this for fun. I don't do it for money. I just love the place of Bali. So just ending all this now. It's Stumpy signing off. Have a great day.